It is known that any beehive has a queen who is responsible for everything big and small inside the hive. She organizes the tasks and activities required from each bee to do, and without the queen, the hive could literally collapse. But have you ever asked yourself, how is the queen bee chosen? Is there an election inside the hive, or what? Or is it that the hardest working bee gets promoted to become a queen? And I wonder what would happen if we entered a beehive and stole their queen. Welcome. But before we start, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so our videos reach you first. Honeybee colonies consist of 3 main castes: workers, drones, and the queen. Each plays a crucial role in the hive. Now let's explore how honeybee queens are chosen within the colony. 1. Queen bee selection process. The process of selecting a queen bee occurs within the beehive, orchestrated by the worker bees. Worker bees feed specific larvae with a special diet, which primes them to potentially become queens. Afterward, the workers choose one of these larvae to develop into the next queen bee. The selected larva grows and gradually transforms into a queen bee. The queen remains inside the hive until she is ready to emerge and mate with drones. 2. Identifying the queen bee. Queen bee is distinguishable by several characteristics. Size: she is significantly larger than other bees in the colony. Abdomen shape: her abdomen tapers to a pointed end. Color: she often has a distinct color, usually darker, compared to worker bees. Behavior: queen spends most of her time laying eggs and does not engage in other hive tasks. Location: she's usually found in the center of the hive, surrounded by worker bees. Stinger: unlike worker bees, the queen's stinger is curved and not barbed. 3. Queen bee's role. The primary function of the queen bee is egg laying. She can lay up to 2,000 eggs per day. Her pheromones regulate the behavior and development of other bees in the colony. Queen bee is essential for colony survival. If she dies or weakens, the hive may decline or collapse. 4. Fascinating fact. Queen bees are raised by the workers, and their selection is a combination of genetics and chance. The lucky larva chosen to become the queen owes its fate to the worker bee's care and feeding. So the next time you marvel at a bustling beehive, remember that behind the scenes, queen bee quietly orchestrates the entire colony's life. The process that determines whether a honeybee becomes a queen bee is indeed intriguing. Here's a breakdown of the key factor. This rich diet triggers the transformation of the larva into a queen bee. 5. Egg selection by workers. When a worker bee lays an egg, it has no control over whether it will become a queen or a worker bee. The choice is left to chance, as the workers randomly select eggs to receive special treatment. 6. Royal jelly and queen development. Royal jelly, a secretion produced by worker bees, plays a crucial role. If an egg is selected for queen development, it is fed royal jelly exclusively. Interestingly, royal jelly is also used to create medicines and supplements for humans. 7 German research findings. Researchers in Germany discovered that the scenario is more complex. It's not just about royal jelly. Other factors are at play. Bees don't become queens solely because of the nutrients in royal jelly. Instead, plant-based acids, such as p-coumaric acid, found in nectar and pollen, influence bee development. 8. Worker behavior and hive survival. Worker bees collectively choose around 20 eggs to raise as potential queens. This redundancy ensures hive safety. If one egg fails, others can take its place. When a new queen emerges, she mates and returns to eliminate rival queens, those still in the larval stage. The fate of older queens varies. They may abdicate, coexist with the new queen, or face aggression. 9. Sudden queen disappearance. If the queen bee suddenly disappears, the hive faces a crisis. The workers exhibit aggressive behavior, searching for a new queen. They may even kill the old queen if she's still present. Ultimately, the hive's survival depends on the emergence of a new queen. Remember, the intricate social structure within a beehive ensures its functionality and resilience. If you have more questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to receive our videos first. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.